Well, it's finally happened. I've finally smashed my DJI Pocket 3, my lovely Pocket 3 with its protective cage that didn't protect it at all. I'll show you what happened. Oh my God. Okay, it's another camera fall, and this is a bad one this time. So I had the Pocket 3 on this stand, but it was like really extended, and it just fell backwards. I think I've got it on video. I didn't even see it happen. I was too busy with my garden gate. So this is what it looks like now. It won't do anything, and because it took the fall on the back, you can probably see the scratch where it impacted the ground. Luckily the screen was protected by my fly mile cage, but look what's happened. The lens has become separated, so I'm going to try and push this together and see if I can get this working again. When I turn it on, oh okay, no, it's moving now. It wasn't moving before. Yeah, it's not, it's just saying gimbal protection, so I think something's jamming it from moving. When I push the up on the joystick, it just says gimbal protection, so it's really good bad. I've had something similar like this happen to my Pocket 1. I dropped that on a train station and the casing fell apart, a bit like this, but this looks a bit more severe because it's the lens and the camera head. Oh, I can feel it doesn't move at all. So within the gimbal, this doesn't move. Yeah, it won't move at all. So if I push this back together, we'll see if that gets it moving again. So I'm just going to squeeze it gently. No, there's nothing. Oh boy. Oh, this is a bad one. I think I might have just ended my Pocket 3 again. Oh man, that is a bad one. Let's take a closer look, and so when I turn it on, the camera head is completely bent and it won't move. It's absolutely locked in that position. If I turn it off, nothing happens. When I turn it on, the camera comes on, but the camera head doesn't move. No, that is well and truly bust. And it won't push back in. I was hoping I could just press it back together, but for some reason it didn't. Oh man. So just wanted to show you this in case this happens with your Pocket 3. It's completely smashed. So my lesson from this is, I mean, I've put this in really difficult positions. I've put it on lampposts and even bits of metal in walls, and that hasn't worked out well. Here's some footage of me smashing the camera the first time. He had it. What? It's, oh no! Well, that's irony, isn't it? But I was able to fix that, and basically the camera head was jammed in the gimbal, and I just bent it very slightly, applied some pressure and got it working again. This is a bit more terminal. I think I've just deleted a camera. I feel really sad about this because I really like the Pocket 3. I think it's a great camera. I'm shooting this on my DJI Nano camera. I think this is a goner. I've put it in some really dicey places with this magnetic cage, and I thought the cage would protect it somehow. Let me get a shot of this with my wonky camera. Has it stopped recording? No, it's still recording. This could be the very last shot that I take on the Pocket 3, but I put it on this Ulanzi tripod. Sorry, there's no stabilization on this because it's broken. It fell backwards, so the Ulanzi tripod just blew back in the wind, and the back of the Pocket 3 took the full brunt of the impact. But that seems to have knocked out the lens section from the back of the camera head, and the whole camera head is now jammed between the fork of the gimbal. I'm really sad about this because this is such a great camera to grab and go, but maybe not. Maybe it's not such a good camera because I haven't had it that long. It can take absolutely zero impact. If you drop this, bad things will happen 99% of the time. For a camera that is designed to be grabbed and goed, to be grab and go, I think you need some form of ruggedness, some form of, you know, if I drop my phone, it's going to be okay. I've got a screen protector on it and I've got a bumper case. But you can't do that with a Pocket 3. I thought I could with this metal cage. You can't. So, and you know this anyway, if you have a Pocket 3 or thinking of getting a DJI Pocket 3 or a Pocket 4, it won't last at all. I've taken all my Pockets out in the rain and they've survived that. They've survived a lot from me, but I'm really disappointed. I'm disappointed in myself. And I'm disappointed in the Pocket 3 because this is a lot of money for something that you can end very easily. It just won't push together at all. Anyway, I just wanted to share how bad a Pocket 3 drop can look. It's bad. It's really bad. So I guess this is probably the last video in my DJI Pocket 3 playlist. I might put that on screen now. I'll put on screen whatever YouTube thinks you want to know next. Thank you for hitting the thumbs up or the subscribe button. I sincerely hope this does not happen to you. And it looks like I'm going to be recording things on the DJI Nano now. Good luck with your next video. Make your next video.